The 2194 is an entry-level digital storage oscilloscope delivering impressive performance and value. This scope provides 100 MHz of bandwidth in a 4-channel configuration with a maximum sample rate of 1 gigasample per second and memory depth up to 14 million points. The front panel features a high-resolution 7-inch widescreen display and dedicated soft keys for quick access to frequently used functions. The USB host port is available to store and recall waveform data, instrument setups, and screenshots. LAN and USB interfaces are included standard for remote control and programming. The BNC connector provides an output signal of triggered waveforms or failed waveforms while using the pass-fail test feature. The 2194 offers a waveform update rate of 100,000 waveforms per second for capturing infrequent glitches with excellent signal fidelity. Additional features include segmented acquisition to optimize memory for capturing signals with greater detail while increasing the update rate to 400,000 waveforms per second. Powerful math operations including FFT for converting and viewing signals in the frequency domain. And serial bus decoding for I2C, SPI, UART, CAN, and LIN protocols. Included in the box are a set of 4 passive probes, certificate of calibration, and USB cable. Download the datasheet linked in the description or visit bkprecision.com to learn more.